Hello, creative coders. Welcome to our channel, Creative Coding. I hope you all are doing great. So, this is yet another episode of our series CSS mini project, and in this, we are going to be creating a beautiful notification pulse alert animation which looks like this. So, as you can see, there is a circle, and inside that circle, there present a bell icon, and around that circle, there is a pulse effect happening, and at the same time, the bell icon is rotating. So all of these animations are combined together. We are going to combine together all of these animations in CSS. And if you're new to our channel, my name is Shikhar Bania. I'm an educator, mentor, and web developer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's talk about Newton School first. Newton School is a platform which provides individuals a career in tech. It has courses specially designed for freshers, individuals, working professionals, and even women who don't have any knowledge in tech. Around 300 companies hire from Newton School, and Newton School also provides a pay after placement policy under which you don't have to pay anything to Newton School until and unless you are placed with a bare minimum of 5 lakh CTC. Sounds great, right? Let's talk about another initiative taken by Newton School called Launchpad. So, Launchpad is for those who want to start their coding journey from scratch. It has all the courses that you need to start a coding journey like Java, Python, data structures, JavaScript, Node.js, SQL, you name it, they have it. And the main advantage of using this Launchpad is you get a certificate of completion, you get a developer community, you got the best instructors to teach you, you also got a hands-on experiences, and you will become job ready. And all of this Newton School is providing for free. Yes, so don't forget to check that out. So here we are in the code editor, and as you can see, I've given the title as notification pulse effect, pulse alert. And for that bell icon, we have used the font awesome library to include that icon, that bell icon. And this reminds me, please press that bell icon to never miss any updates of our videos. And let's start writing some code in HTML. So first, I want a div of class, let's say bell. Okay. Now inside this, I want another div of class bell hyphen border. So this bell is the circle inside the bell icon appears, and this bell border will give us the pulse effect. Okay. Next, let's add the anchor tag. The icon tag, and in this fa hyphen bell. So this gives us this bell icon. Okay, and it is coming from the font awesome library. Let's close this. Also, we want a custom class so that we can apply some effects or some styling to it. So let's say btn hyphen bell. Okay, so this is our HTML part, and we can see the bell icon as the output. Now let's style this properly in CSS. Okay, so we have added this bell icon onto our output. Now let's style this in CSS. So first, let's target the body, and let's give the margin top bottom 0 and left right. Sorry, top bottom 0 and left right auto. And let's give it a height of 100%. Okay, next I want to select the bell border and the btn hyphen bell classes, and let's change the border radius to 50% since we want all of the things in circle. Position will be absolute. Top will be 50%.
left will be 50%, and then transform and translate it minus 50% and minus 50%. Okay, so this is done and we can see our output at the center. Okay, now let's target the first the bell, and let's give it a height of 60%, a width of 60%. Sorry, this is not percent, actually this is pixel. Okay, and I want it to have a box shadow, minus 1 pixel horizontal alignment, 2 pixel vertical alignment, 10 pixel is the blur value. Okay, let's change the color, hash 999. Okay, so we got to see this beautiful shadow, and it is shaped in the circle because we have specified the border radius as 50%. Okay, let's change the background, hash B74096. Okay, and I want the animation name, let's say coal. Animation duration will be 2 seconds, and animation iteration count will be infinite, so it will go until infinite. Okay, so our bell part is completed. Now let's add that pulse effect part, so it is present in bell border, and let's give it a height of 59 pixel, a width of 59 pixel. Okay, next, since it will be a border, so border will be 1 pixel solid, and the color will be same as that of the bell, so B74096. And this I want to specify it as important, so the CSS compiler will treat this as important and never miss this line out. Okay, okay, so next, let's give it an animation name, let's say pulse. Okay, next, animation duration will be 2 seconds, and animation iteration count will be infinite. Also, let's add that box shadow, 2 pixel along horizontally, 2 pixel vertically, 5 pixel will be the blur value, and color will be CCC. Okay, and along with this I want to have it another what we can say box shadow, which will be minus 2 pixel along horizontally, minus 2 pixel vertically, 5 pixel which will be the blur value, and hash CCC the color. All right, that is it for this well border. Now let's style our bell icon. So dot btn hyphen bell. So the color will be white. So as you can see, the color got changed. Font size will be 20 pixels, so let's increase it a little bit. And let's change the animation name. Let's say bell ring. Okay. Animation duration will be 2 seconds, and duration count will be infinite. Okay. So I guess that is it for this. I mean, we are not forgetting anything. So we added the bell, we added the bell border, and we added the bell button bell. Okay, so we have styled our bell icon, and as you can see, we got to see this border, and this is the bell, and this is the bell icon. Okay, now let's animate it. So at the rate keyframes, and first is the call for our bell space bell class. So inside this, at 0%, I want to transform and scale it. Initially it will be 1, so this will not change anything, and I want to translate it 0 comma 0, since as you can see it is coming from down translating upwards, that's why. Okay, don't worry about this, we're going to change it. So let's copy this 4 times. Okay, and okay, so the first one will be 0, second one will be 10%, third one will be 75%, sorry, 75%, and the last one will be 100%. Okay, so at 10% I just want to increase this scale, that's it. So as you can see, at 10% it is increasing and then going down to its original position. Okay, and now let's target next keyframe, which is pulse, and inside this I just want 3%. So first one will be 0, and at 0% I just want to transform and translate it minus 50% and minus 50%. Okay, all right, so now let's copy this, paste it below 2 times. Second one will be 50%, third one will be 100%, and translate will be the same. I want to scale it, let's say 1.9 till 1.9. Okay, and opacity will be 0.1 at 50%. Okay, and at 100%, I want both of these things. All right, and opacity will be 0. So I think we have changed this. Okay, so as you can see, we got to see this beautiful pulse effect. Now the last one is remaining, so at the rate keyframes, last one is I don't know what it is, bell ring. Okay, and inside this, at 0%, I want to do, first let's transform and translate it minus 50% and minus 50%. Okay. Next, at 5% and 15%, what I want to do is, let's copy this whole, paste it here. I want to rotate it along 25 degree. So rotate it 25 degree. Okay. In the same way, let's copy this, paste it below 2 times. Now at 10% and 25%, sorry, 20%, I want to do the same, but I want to change the direction and it will be inverted. Now exactly at 25%, I want it to back to its normal position, that is 0 degree. And at 100%, let me copy this again. At 100%, I want it to be at the same. So as you can see, we got to see this beautiful pulse effect bell icon animation. Looks great, right?
Thanks for watching till the end, guys. I really hope you like this video, and I think you might have a little understanding on how things work or how you can animate things in CSS. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. It would really help and encourage us to bring more valuable and amazing animation content to you. And don't forget to check out Newton School website to learn more about them. And if you have any doubt related to this animation, comment down under the comment section. I would be more than happy to help you out. So keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.